this area 2 weeks ago. That was the last time I could make it out here to do a little fishing. And all I had with me was mullet, just cut mullet and croakers. That's it. That's all I could find out here in the shoreline. And that caught me absolutely nothing except catfish. I think I must have caught like 10 catfish that day. It's pretty crazy. These rednecks are slacking, man. I keep telling them every damn year, you have to get on these catfish, man. I don't know how. I mean, with the amount of rednecks up here, you would think there would be the least, the absolute least amount of fish in the water. The least plentiful. No, 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 no. They're slacking. And the reason why they're slacking is they drink too damn much. You know, you gotta focus. You gotta come out here and focus on catching these damn fish. You know, drink after you catch 20 catfish. And of course it's gonna be raining. At least this isn't a downpour. I don't think that cloud's gonna last much longer. It needs to just hurry up and blow over. And when it rains up here, it actually drops in temperature. They're a good 10 degrees almost. Feels almost like it's like a 75 out here. But there's my fishing spot right there. Got those PVC sticks in the ground. So yeah, most boats can't come up in here. That's why there's so much fishing. Okay, I think I'm just gonna anchor up here, put a crab on the hook, and see what happens. I was catching these crabs with this little net here. It's not easy like in St. Mark's, where you can sight cast them. This experience was like in the grass and the weeds, very dark water. And you can't cast net on top of the weeds because it won't catch the crab. I tried, so I had to resort to using that little hand net, which is the only net I got. It's basically a live well bait net, and I did get them. I did indeed get them. So let's go ahead and throw this guy in there. Let's see what happens, boy. See what happens. Had schools of them out here last time. I'll get it right there between the two little islands. I think I got something. Hope it ain't no dumbass catfish. Even the catfish will eat the crabs, unfortunately. The old Walmart special, boy. How long have I been running this $20 rod? I've been running this thing. What the hell is it? That's a drum, I think. I've been running this thing at least 3 years. 4 years. $20 this rod, man. I don't even know the name brand of this reel. The reel was like $20 too. I've caught some blunkers with this thing. 30-pound drum, boy, on this cheap ass thing. This is the same tackle I used to use in Key West. 30-pound test. I used to use this for the bridges. good to go light, but you don't want to go crazy heavy either. So 30-pound test is like right in the middle. This is definitely not a catfish. Hold on to him. He's tugging. Alright, turned him around. Chunky one, man. Belly's up there. Come on, partner. Come on up here. In there. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Shit right there, boy. First bait of the day. Catch me a lunker. Out here in oyster country. That's why you need to bring the crabs, people. This is a good size one. This is perfect for eating. Look at that. Yeah. She's a beauty. It is a beauty. I just got out here, so I guess I'll release him. Anything with it. I went into this fucking app. The rain actually brought it into this app, which is a HVAC app. I can't get out of it. I can't do anything. So I had like the GPS, and it was getting me back to the launch point. But then the rain was hitting the screen so hard, it brought me to the other app, and I couldn't get out. See, it's beautiful out here again. Once it gets like this, I just want to stay out here some more. So I got a little pilchard, like the remnants of a pilchard. So I think I'm gonna soak them up in that oyster bed over there, and last ditch effort. See if I don't catch anything. Doing a little blind casting, and look what I caught. Jesus. Look at that big ass, that gar there. Man. Look at that thing. I'm kind of afraid to hold you, boy. He's green too. Make your way back in there. Look at that mouth. I got excited for a minute. Yeah. Man. Come on, Gar. You just got a little. Don't go back to shore. This thing's got some teeth on them now. If it wasn't so green, that would be a little bit more confident. He's pretty green. There you go. At first I thought it was a trout because the tail had all those spots on them. Look at him go. Just fucking thousands. Stingray. All things. Why's it gotta be a stingray? Jeez. Is there any real fish in this area? God, this is the last time I'm coming here, boy. Last time I came here, I caught a damn stingray too. I ain't trying to catch no stingrays or catfish, man. Thing will ruin your day right there, boy. And guess what? You're gonna keep that hook. You're gonna keep it, buddy. Sorry. Oh, fish on, probably another catfish. I like to trick them into thinking that they're swimming this way and I'm not pulling them. Oh! Easy. It's easier to swim this way. Another worthless catfish. Gee. I tricked his ass all the way to the shore. Now he's fighting. Told you to stay off my bait, boy. Don't listen. sure. Yeah. Please be something other than a catfish. Huh. I think it is like something else. I don't know, that's a trout or a mackerel. It is a little trout. You know you're hooked, boy? You don't even know, does he? That is a little baby trout. I'm just walking the dog over here. Nice crab. Look at that, he's just barely even hooked.